Las Casas, Filipinas de Acuzar is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant traditions. The culture show would showcase the best traditional fashion, music, and dance with everything done live. The dance troupe performed unprecedented acrobatic dance and lovely spirited execution of different genre of dance sport on stage. Las Casas, Filipinas de Acuzar Cultural Show is a much-anticipated event every night that unites dance, culture, and heritage in one spectacular evening. The dancers and performers of the show are mostly native students of the province of Bataan. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.